Well, hello there, happy skincare Sunday. You must be wondering, why, Julia, do you have all of these little things all over your face? Well, we're playing with a special brand today on Skincare Sunday. This is Badescu. I have been wanting to try products from Badescu for a very long time. I've been wanting to try products from Badescu for a really long time, and I finally got the chance. I was just in Ulta and was like, I need to find more skincare brands that I don't have that I could share with you guys. So, not that I really need more skincare. We're gonna jump into this video. We're gonna be doing a one brand skincare routine using all Badescu products, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Mwah. So now that our face is completely clean, I'm gonna take the facial spray, the cucumber and green tea one, and I'm gonna spray it all over my face. And I'm gonna apply the flower and tonic mask. So I got the combo oily skin kit. So this is gonna help purify our skin. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna take it all off. I'm going to use the Cucumber Cleansing Lotion just to get off anything that I may have missed on my face. And just for some added moisture and to calm down the redness in my face, I'm going to spray the Cucumber Green Tea and Aloe Spray. Then I have a little one-time use Seaweed Night Cream. I'm going to apply this all over my entire face. And then the last step is the drying lotion. I've been wanting to try this product for so long, like years, ever since I worked at Ulta, which is so long ago. And I just never got the chance to try it, never got the chance to buy anything from Badescu. So here we are. Okay, so you're just supposed to stick it right in, all the way to the bottom. And we're just gonna place it wherever we think we need it. Alright you guys, so that's it for my Badescu one brand skincare routine. I hope you like my face. I hope you enjoyed this routine. I really think Badescu is a really great brand with simple ingredients, simple skincare for all different types, and I really love that I got all of these minis for probably about 30 bucks. Ulta had a gift with a purchase, so when I purchased the mini set for about 30 bucks, I got all the rest, and then the drying lotion was extra. But honestly, I think it's priced really well, especially if you're on a budget, so I would give it a shot. And they make it really easy for you because they tell you combo to oily skin, aging skin, or dry skin. That kind of helps you try out the products that will work best for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much always for tuning in and watching. Let me know in the comments below what other skincare tutorials you want to see, one brand skincare tutorials or any skincare tutorials in general. Comment them down below. I love you guys. Thanks for watching as always. Subscribe right here in the center of my face, and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys. See you soon.